Why wouldn't it pick me up?
Because nobody wants to hear you. Let me see what I got in here. See what I have in my pocket for you.
I need something.
Here, these right here. I'm gonna put them right here so they make jingly sounds.
Don't need that part.
All right, so
We're doing some dumb shit.
what up, losers? We're doing something dumb as usual. Not terribly dumb. We're fixing our hoist. This is our hoist right over here. Boom. So it broke. Second of all, this video is not about the hoist. I mean, I guess it is kind of about the hoist, but it's also, I'm gonna put the hood strut kit that we got from Dan Carr. We put one on the fast hard body right here. Oh, I say the fast hard body, but it like, you know, sitting here.
Don't talk shit about my truck.
So we got this hood strut kit made and sent to us by Dan Carr. We have another one over here that is not on anything. Here it is right here, boom, hood strut kit. And it's going on Natasha, my hard body outside.
Natasha.
Boom, there she is. So we're doing that right now, or in a minute. But Ronnie's fixing our hoist right now.
Why is there a bolt in here?
What?
There's like a bolt inside there.
So anyways, the little bar that goes up in here, dude, you're in my way. It goes in there. The pivot point broke off of it. So we're not able to jack the hoist up. So we're actually doing some welding on that right now. Not very exciting, and maybe won't work, but we're hoping it'll work.
How did that even get in
What's
there?
up? There's a bolt in there? What is that even from?
I don't know what's called.
Where was
It
it?
was inside here.
Where are we at? Where are
I'm
you
just designing this, making sure these things are gonna fit in here.
Oh, right on. We got some chain links. We were walking through
two of them's good.
Tractor Supply, and we snagged some chain links off of their little chain cutting link place. And I was like, hey, can we have these? And she was like, please. That way we don't have to throw them away. And so we're going to make little pivot points out of those. I'm going to go unpack this hood strut kit and get started on that. We had to go to Ace Hardware, just like we did the last time, and get some things. Let me show y'all right here. Had to get some, oh, those cotter pins are for the lift. Probably not for my hard body. We had to get, looks like a bolt with 3 nuts on it. Oh yeah, we had to get 4 nuts, 4 lock nuts, 4 bolts, and I think that was it. Oh, we got some washers too, didn't we? Oh, we didn't get washers. Yeah, we did. They're the washers. I missed the washers. There they are right there. So we got some lock washers. That's all the hardware we needed to buy to make this work. And wow, that thing just sparked on my head from way over there. A spark like flew over here. Nice. Dude, we haven't done some welding in a minute.
Yeah.
When's the last time you welded?
Me?
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Oh, well then I haven't done some welding in a minute.
Ask me again. My mic was off.
Oh, okay. I'll ask you again. So when was the last time you welded?
Yesterday.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Trying to flip it over.
How's it going over here?
It's going. It's pretty jank looking.
Of course it's jank looking, but it only has to hold like, what would you guess, like 15 pounds of pressure being pulled up?
If that, because
Or
it's
10
on
pounds?
the upstroke, right?
Yeah, right.
So it's nothing.
I like it when you say upstroke.
Upstroke.
I also like being able to watch welding through the camera.
All right, all done.
All done, eh?
Yep.
And then we're just gonna like slide the little pivot point in there and then bend it together.
Yeah, if we even need to bend it together, it might be just fine.
It might just work like that.
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay.
Why don't we touch it and find out?
Ooh, yeah. Roll it between your hands now.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if this thing works.
Ass. I gotta go cool it off.
Okay, go quench it. What happened?
I made it too good.
What do you mean you made it too good?
It's too tight. I didn't do a good job of like lining it up when I was smashing it. So it doesn't want to line up through the 2 holes.
Gotcha. I see what you mean.
So when I say I did too good, I mean I didn't do good enough. I did bad job. But whatever.
See if it works. If it works, that's all we care about, Ronnie.
Yeah, and it works.
I mean, I see the hoist going up. So I got all my stuff laid out. I like to keep stuff on the floor. That way I don't lose it in the engine bay. Last thing I want is something like getting all up in my freaking simple turbo set, making it unreliable all of a sudden. Anyways, the great thing about already having done this once is that I have a template. So what we did on Ronnie's truck, if you haven't seen the video, we installed up here and then we installed the strut and we just let it hang to wherever it was going to hang naturally. Put the bracket, set the bracket up here and just marked it, and then we just drilled it out. He has his on top right here because of his oil filter relocation, but on the other side we did it the way it's suggested underneath. But really you can do it either way because it works great either way. Like the hood, I mean, it works, and that's all you want. Something that works, something that doesn't look terrible. All right, is my mic on? It is. All right, we got this bracket on, and we run this little ball thing right through here. We got to tighten this up, and then we're going to hang the strut off of there. Mark it out right here. It should come down to about right here, just short of this little bumper here, and then we'll drill holes for that. Power tools.
Shade, if we do these, we do them like that on mine. Do you want them like this, or you want them like this?
It doesn't matter. I mean, does it matter? I don't think it matters.
Doesn't matter to me.
Let me see how it looks on yours. Aesthetics are everything. That looks fine. It's completely fine. Whatever. All right. Step bit.
What are you doing, Punk?
There we go. One hole. And then the other one is right on a daggum ridge here. So it's going to be a little more difficult, but I think we'll make it work. Dunskies. Grab two of our nut and bolt sets that we got here. And should just daggum drop right through. We hope, right? We hope. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One there. No, this one. And then I put the washer on the wrong side. Imagine that. So let's work this one in there. Then a washer. And then, oh, I just dropped a nut. That's always good and awesome and great. Where did it go? Interesting.
Very cool. Did you make that?
He's like making stuff. He's over there crafting.
Show YouTube what you made. What is it?
I don't know.
All right. All right, so we got it on.
We're done, yeah. We haven't closed the hood yet, so so we'll see. There was a hiccup. There was a small hiccup here. I had taken this off because you have to take the water bottle here, the squirter bottle off, just to get to this, to be able to get this nut on down here. And so I left it off, and when I went to put it back on, we just popped this off, and I went to put it back on, I noticed that these screws, these mounting screws for your squirter bottle, they still line up, but this one doesn't. It's, I don't know, it's a good 1/2 inch low, so.
And that may be a 91, what year is this?
This is a 90.
So it might be an early KA problem, or it might be a problem for all of them. Dan Carr said it fits his truck just fine, so.
Yeah, and we don't know.
Our assumption is his is newer.
Yeah, if he even has this bolt in. Like with the other mount bolts in there, like it is solid. Like it's not going anywhere. So it's not like you have to worry about it. I mean, it's a squirter bottle. But, you know, just know that. That's the one thing that we found that doesn't line up on these. And then if you have your oil filter relocation where Ronnie's is, that won't line up either. And you'll have to flip your thing upside down.
Yeah, we did that.
Oh, whatever. All right, let's close this thing.
Close the hood.
Oh my gosh.
Did we get it caught on something?
I don't know. There it goes.
No.
It's closed.
Just didn't close it.
I just had to give it a little more booty. There it goes.
Look
Boom.
at that.
Ronnie was just saying this is one of the best modifications we've ever done to our trucks, and he's right. Like, it's so nice not to have to use the prop rod, have it in the way.
Well, see, at least
Just
you had a prop
Throw
rod,
this up.
right?
No, true.
I never had one.
And these trucks are super old, so, you know, chances are you may not have a prop rod.
It's so nice. It's nice that they're low profile. Everything about them's.
I mean,
Good job.
you know, looks factory. Good job, Dan. Good job. Roadie Fab makes these too, and I'm sure his kid is probably every bit as good as this.
Yep.
So, yeah, whatever. Now we have to reshoot a clip of a video that we shot yesterday because I had my mic off the entire, for like 5 minutes of Ronnie talking. And I had my mic off and I was making jokes and I was asking him questions, you know, being a good cameraman, trying to like spark conversation and things, and you couldn't hear any of it. So we're gonna have to reshoot that right now.
The thing is like whatever we said probably wasn't that important.
It probably wasn't, but the whole ending of the video, like where we said bye and we love you and stuff like that, which is what I'm about to say right now because we're done here. So like this video, subscribe to our channel, you know, all that YouTube stuff, because, you know, we like making the content and hopefully you like watching the content. So we'll see y'all later.